What's up everybody, Matt Edmondson here with RP Elite. I got two beautiful 24 Denali Ultimates right behind me and I want to show them to you. Come check them out with me. All right, we got the white 24 GMC Denali Ultimate sitting on a set of 2414 Stealth Forged wheels, 33-inch Versatyre, wicked suspension, box shocks with the resis relocated, all polished out, looking sharp. Check out this beautiful GMC Denali Ultimate interior. Got the tan leather on the inside. One of the things I love about these trucks, the new screens, infotainment center right there for everything you need to see. Sunroof. This is a crew cab truck, so you got all the room in the back seat of the truck as well. Jumping over to the black 24 GMC Denali Ultimate. This one looking real sharp, sitting on KG1 2412s. This truck has a Cognito 3-inch lift on it. All black, power steps. Absolutely beautiful truck, ready to go. Climbing in the interior of the black 24 Denali Ultimate. Got that tan leather again. Good contrast in the truck, nice wood grain on the dash. Big infotainment area there, all your gauges. Sunroof, absolutely beautiful truck on the inside. All right, so there you see it, the white 24 Denali Ultimate on Stealth Forged 2414s with Fury tires. That wicked suspension lift on it, box resis, and then we move over to the black. We got the KG1 Forged 2412s on Furies with a Cognito 3-inch on this one. Both beautiful trucks. You guys know what we know, the GMCs are where it's at right now, and we got a couple of twins, black or white, you pick your color. We'll get you fixed up here at RP Elite.